Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the stocks picked by brokerages to buy in November. So many brokerages have picked 9 stocks which they feel should be invested now immediately. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So the stock price is as of 14 November 2019. First one on the list is SBI Life Insurance Company. Its current share price is 999 rupees. The 52-week low is 515, whereas the high is 1030. The industry PE is 78, whereas the company PE is 81. The PB is 13. The ROC is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 62%. 4,930 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year we have the return of 72%. 3 and 5 years are not available because this came into stock market around 1.5 years ago, so we only have 1 year return here, and the target price is 1,220. Next one on the list is Karataka Bank. Its current share price is 75 rupees. The 52-week low is 67, whereas the high is 141. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 4. The PB is 0.40. The ROC is 6, whereas the debt to equity is 12. The TTM EPS is 17. Promoter holding is 0. 106 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, all three returns like 1 year, 3 year and 5 year returns are in negative. For 1 year it is given us a return of minus 28%, for 3 years minus 14%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of minus 7%. The target price is 100. Next in the list is Shriram Transport Finance Company. Its current share price is 1,138 rupees. The 52-week low is 909, whereas the high is 1,297. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 9. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 5.51. The TTM EPS is 123. The promoter holding is 26%. 1,034 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 7%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive but not that good returns. For 3 years it is given us a return of 8%, and for 5 years it is given us only a return of 1%. The target price is 1,332 rupees. Next one on the list is Balkrishna Industries. Its current share price is 822 rupees. The 52-week low is 682, whereas the high is 1,189. The industry PE is 19, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 21, whereas the debt to equity is 0.18. The TTM EPS is 37. The promoter holding is 58%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 2,367 crores, and returns, the 1 year return is negative, which is minus 13%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given us a return of 18%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 14%. The target price is 1,050. Next one on the list is Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management. Its current share price is 358 rupees. The 52-week low is 127, whereas the high is 378. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 42. The PB is 8. The ROCE is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 8. Promoter holding is 79%. 479 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, we have only 1 year return, which has given us a tremendous return. It has given us a return of 120%. The target price is 421 rupees. Next one on the list is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. Its current share price is 525 rupees. The 52-week low is 277, whereas the high is 532. The industry PE is 78, whereas the company PE is 65. The PB is 10. The ROCE is 19, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 7. The promoter holding is 74%. 4,039 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and return we only have 1 and 3 year return. That is very good returns it has given us. So for 1 year it has given us a return of 49%, and for 3 years it has given us a return of 20%, and the target price is 700 rupees. Next one on the list is Granules India. Its current share price is 124 rupees. The 52-week low is 79, whereas the high is 133. The industry PE is 28, whereas the company PE is 13. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 14, whereas the debt to equity is 0.49. The TTM EPS is 11. Promoter holding is 42%. There is no mutual fund investment into the stock, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 13%, for 3 years 3%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 7%. The target price is 144 rupees. Next one on the list is ICICI Bank. Its current share price is 498 rupees. The 52-week low is 310, whereas the high is 499. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 62. PB is 3. The ROCE is 4, whereas the debt to equity is 7.80. The TTM EPS is 10. There is no promoter holding in this stock because I had told you all earlier the most stake is held by LIC. 64,827 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 34%, for 3 years 24%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 9%. So the target price is 569 rupees. Next one and the last one on the list is Bharat Electronics. Its current share price is 109 rupees. The 52-week low is 72, whereas the high is 122. The industry PE is 13, whereas the company PE is 15. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 6. The promoter holding is 55%. 5,098 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns the 1 and 5 year return are positive, whereas the 3 years return are negative. So for 1 year it is given us a return of 15%, for 3 years minus 2%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 9%, and the target price is 134 rupees. So these are the stocks which brokerages have initiated buy in this month in November. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing. As this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but I just wanted to let you all know so that you all can invest and earn good. And my favorite stock from this list is Balkrishna Industries and Reliance Nippon Asset Management. So these two companies are one of my favorites. And Balkrishna Industries, I have made a stock review very long ago. So if at all you all had invested at that time, you would have earned good returns by now. So I will, if someone who has not checked out that video, I will link it in the end so that you all can go check it out and get to know about that stock. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.